Oh hey guys, Paleo Nick here. I just set my stopwatch on my cell phone because I'm going to teach you how to make a super speedy, spicy shrimp with sausage, scallions, and cilantro featuring Paleo Chef's new sriracha sauce. Stick tight because it's about to get sassy with Paleo Nick Massie. All right, so we've got a saute pan preheated here. I'm gonna add some olive oil there, and then I'll take and cut this link of sausage open. There we go. And then from there, I'm just gonna break this up. No rhyme or reason, we're not making mini meatballs. We're just kind of going for a rough, boom, boom, something like that. Now while the sausage is cooking, I'm gonna dump these shrimp into a little bowl, a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, give those a couple tosses. We'll set those aside. And then over here we'll prepare our scallions. I've already rinsed these, but what I'm gonna do is just cut the kind of the dry ends off, and then we're gonna use the whole scallion from tip to tail. There we go. Boom. Put that aside. Pull out some cilantro. About that much. And then we'll check on our sausage. All right, so I'd say our sausage is over halfway cooked, or about halfway. Just kind of move it to the side, and then we'll get our shrimp going in here. Boom. Now the shrimp don't take that long. That's why we're holding off on them. Looking good. And then as soon as the shrimp are in there, hit our scallions, cilantro, and we'll let that cook for a minute. All right, so our shrimp's been cooking for about 2 minutes. Just gonna give that a quick flip. I'd say 1 more minute here. We'll give it a little toss, give it some sauce, and we'll be done. All right, here we go. Got a quick toss. Now we'll take our sriracha sauce. This stuff is awesome. Not that much. Oh, there we go. There we go. What do you think? Pretty quick? Let's check the time. Nice. 2 minutes 27. That was. No, we forgot to start the clock, but it's probably around 7 minutes. We're thinking 7 minutes. So, what was it? Super speedy, spicy shrimp with sausage, scallions, and cilantro, featuring Paleo Chef sriracha sauce. That's a mouthful. I'm Paleo Nick. Thanks for watching, and get out there and give this one a try. You won't deny that it's worth